Hey guys, welcome back to day 11. We had breakfast in the room and we mostly spent the beginning of the day by the pool. We did some laundry. The laundry facility was next to the pool, so that was convenient. And we used an app that allowed us to run the washer and dryer, so that was handy. Good way to pay for the laundry. And then we, in the evening, ventured out to downtown Palm Springs. So we drove from our wealth property is actually in Cathedral City, and it was about a 15-minute drive over to downtown Palm Springs. And it was amazing how you are out in the middle of the desert, but then you come upon this Palm Springs where it's just a little bit more lush. The houses are really pretty. They have a really unique architecture. Just clean lines, low to the ground. But we got there, and there is a festival on Thursdays. So the town was setting up. We got there a little bit early. The town was setting up for the festival. And we found a good place to park. And there was art galleries and candy stores and lots of restaurants. They ask that you wear face masks inside the stores. Really cute shops. Just a nice small town. It was about, the population there is about 44,000 people. Very clean. So we parked, and like I said, there was restaurants everywhere. Here's a store that had really unique stuff from Palm Springs. It had really cute glasses, and these are tissue boxes that look like some of the houses. Here's an art store that had the cutest artwork. This artist makes these cute animal artwork. Really cute and fun. Here's a candy store. Sold all flavors of taffy. Along the sidewalk was Hall of Fame stars. Many of them we didn't recognize, and I think it was back from radio days. And I took some pictures of the ones that I recognized. But just a small, nice, fun town. Here's a shake store that had, they put donuts on the straws. Oh, this was cute.
I see you over there. Yes, you. Come. I am Zoltar, at your service. Listen closely to my instructions now. Hard work pays off over time, but laziness, it pays off right now. Heed my advice, young one. Relax and enjoy yourself today. You deserve it. And come back to gain more timeless truths from Zoltar, the wise gypsy. I am Zoltar, the great gypsy, and I can see your fortune. Come see it too, no?
Here's more stars on the sidewalks. We had a lot of fun. It was a really neat town. There's Sonny Bono. Victoria Principal. I probably should put pictures with some of these because I'm sure young people don't know some of these names. Adam West. Do you know who Adam West was? And then we walked around for a long time, and then we had dinner at this place called Crazy Mel's. It was a little shop and bar. And that was day 11. We had a really fun time. We enjoyed Palm Springs. So we will see you tomorrow for day 12. Thanks for watching.